Assalamu alaikum. Estimate the indicated probability by using normal distribution as an approximation to the binomial distribution. So we have a binomial distribution. I will try to make an approximation to this binomial distribution. Binomial means we have n and p. Now we have 90 pairs, so that means n. And since we're talking about boys and girls, and he didn't say anything about boys and girls, so that means p is equal to 0.5, and also q is equal to 0.5. So the probability of a boy is equal to the probability of a girl. Now what's the question? He wants the probability of getting exactly 43 boys. So suppose boys now is my success. I want x to be exactly 43. So that's my x. So he wants the probability that x equal to 43. Well, we use the boundaries of the value 43, and that's exactly what you will find in the table in the formula sheet in the final exam. So when x equal to a value, then we're going to have two values from a minus 0.5 to a plus 0.5. So we want the area in between. This is the probability that x is in between. Okay, let's make a graph to understand this better. So we're going to have a normal distribution where the mean is going to be the same as NP. Let's get the mean, which is 90 times 0.5, which is 45. So that's going to be the mean here. And I want exactly 43. 43 is smaller than, so we want this bar here centered around 43. So this will be my x1, and this will be my x2, where x1 and x2 are the boundaries. So x1 is going to be, again, every single value in the binomial distribution is considered a bar, an area in the normal distribution. So if you have one value x equal to 43 in the binomial, it's going to be an area in the normal distribution between 42.5 and 43.5. Now let's get Z1 and Z2. So Z1 will be equal to 42.5 minus mu, which is, I got 45, divided by sigma. Well, I forgot to bring sigma from the binomial. So I need sigma from the binomial before I actually move to the normal distribution. So sigma should be the square root of NPQ. And if you calculate that, it will be, so the standard deviation from the binomial distribution will be 4743. It's equal to 0.4743, the square root of NPQ. Okay, this is the one that we're going to be using here. 0.4743. And now we can calculate Z1. Well, I think I made a mistake here. It is not 0.47. The sigma is actually, it is 4.743. So now if you calculate this, the Z1 will be equal to minus 0.53. Minus 0.53. Similarly, Z2 can be calculated, and it's equal to minus 3.2. Then you can go to the table to get area 1 corresponding to Z1, area 2 corresponding to Z2, and the answer will be the difference between them, area 2 minus area 1. Area 2 minus area 1, which is equal to 0.0764. That one.